What happens when you start eating chia seeds every day? Hey health enthusiasts, are you ready to unlock the secrets of a tiny superfood that can transform your health and wellness? Whether you're blending them into your morning smoothie, sprinkling them on your yogurt, or creating delicious chia seed puddings, there are countless ways to enjoy these versatile seeds. And trust me, your body will thank you. From boosting energy to aiding weight loss, and even promoting heart health, chia seeds have been praised as a nutritional powerhouse by health enthusiasts worldwide. Chia seeds have been hailed as a superfood for their outstanding nutritional profile. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, polyunsaturated fatty acids, dietary fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals like calcium, manganese, magnesium, selenium, copper, iron and phosphorus. Apart from these, the seeds are an excellent source of polyphenol and antioxidants. Caffeic acid, rosmarinic acid, myricetin, quercetin compounds are also present in it. Caffeic acid is an antioxidant, which is very beneficial for health. But what exactly happens when you make them a part of your daily routine? Stick around, because in this video, we'll explore the science-backed advantages of chowing down on these tiny powerhouses. Number 1. Stimulate weight loss. Weight loss is probably the number one reason most people do what they do. In fact, it is a multi-billion-dollar industry. And if you are looking to lose weight, chia seeds could be one of the first options you can consider. Chia seeds are very rich in fiber, which adds bulk to your meals and hence prolongs their satiety value, slows down digestion and delays release of glucose in the blood. In short, the seeds aid body metabolism and stop your food cravings, both of which are crucial for losing and managing weight. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of plant protein, which is vital for building muscle mass, balancing blood sugar and burning fat. Compared to animal protein eggs, chicken, goat meat, which contains little to no fiber, chia seeds, with 34.4 grams per 100 grams of fiber, have a higher quantity of it than all other superfoods such as flax seeds, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, or almonds. The other reason why chia seeds are good for weight management is because of their role in boosting gut health and metabolism, which prevent fat accumulation. Number 2. Improve gut health. Chia seeds are beneficial for digestive health because they contain a combination of soluble and insoluble fiber that makes them a great choice for relieving constipation. What's more, the soluble fiber and polyphenol chia seeds contain can work as prebiotics, feeding the good gut microbes which then produce substances that protect the lining of the intestines, thereby improving gut health. Number 3. Improve sleep. There are two hormones that are essential for sleep, serotonin and melatonin. These two hormones are produced by tryptophan, an amino acid in the body. Chia seeds, being high in tryptophan, aid good sleep and relaxation. According to an American study, tryptophan is also used for treating numerous sleep disorders. According to dietitians, it is safe to drink chia seeds before bed as they may help improve sleep quality. One systematic review shows that ALA, which is present in chia seeds, may help alleviate postmenopausal symptoms including headache, hot flashes, and insomnia. Number 4. Improve skin health. Oxidative stress and cell damage, leading to premature skin aging. Chia seeds contain many antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and E, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce their damaging effects on the skin. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the skin, contributing to its firmness, elasticity, and youthful appearance. Its production slows down with age, but daily intake of chia seeds may enhance it. Chia seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, including those that make up collagen. Chia is also rich in other nutrients that nurture collagen synthesis, such as zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin E. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have been found to increase circulation and reduce dryness and skin inflammation. And as per a Manchester study, omega-3s help protect the skin from UV radiation. The seeds may also help reduce skin sagging and may improve overall skin health. Number 5. Increase sexual desire. According to the Journal of Sexual Medicine, chia seeds improve brain health if taken in the right amount. This increases the sexual desire of men. The seeds contain essential fatty acids, such as omega-3, that the body cannot produce. These help to boost testosterone naturally. Testosterone is associated with feelings of power, energy, and sex drive. Due to this, there will be no fatigue even after long hours of sexual activity. It is also scientifically established as a blood clotting, antidepressant, anti-anxiety, analgesic, vision, and immunity booster. Number 6. Boost energy and mood. Chia seeds are packed with B vitamins, zinc, iron, and magnesium, all of which help boost energy. Chia, considered a superfood, is believed to enhance your mood upon regular consumption. As per a Pittsburgh study, omega-3 fatty acids are associated with improved mood and behavior. Consuming chia seeds might also help you combat depression. So you can add the seeds to your favorite smoothie and enjoy a refreshing burst of energy. Number 7. Regulate blood sugar levels. Chia's ability to slow down digestion can be linked to diabetes prevention. The gelatinous coating chia seeds develop can also prevent spikes in the blood sugar levels. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, chia is one of those foods considered to be useful in diabetes treatment. The seeds were also found to improve the blood pressure levels in diabetics. Another reason chia can be good for diabetics is the presence of omega-3 fatty acids that are known to be nutritionally important for the treatment of the disease. Number 8. Good for bones and teeth. One study has shown that increased consumption of calcium-rich foods, like chia seeds, can improve skeletal health. Consumption of chia seeds is also considered an effective way to improve calcium intake. In addition to calcium, chia seeds are also rich in manganese, both of which are crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Chia seeds are also rich in phosphorus, a mineral that has been found to enhance bone health. The presence of antioxidants in chia seeds can also protect your teeth from damage. Number 9. Prevent heart disease. Chia seeds, as part of a heart-healthy diet and lifestyle, can enhance heart health and prevent heart-related diseases. The omega-3 fatty acids get the credit, again. These fatty acids help lower blood cholesterol and prevent coronary heart disease in the process. The monounsaturated fats in chia seeds help lower the cholesterol levels. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics also states that adding chia seeds to the diet can keep a check on the cholesterol levels. The omega-3s also reduce triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood. In addition, they reduce the risk of irregular heartbeat, lower blood pressure, and slow down the accumulation of arterial plaque. And there you have it. The incredible benefits of incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel for more informative content. And as always, stay healthy and stay happy. See you next time.